So you are doing anything else that's not direct mail or something like that, and you want to actually pre-qualify them, then the one thing that you are looking for, the only thing you're looking for is motivation. Now, I know this seems simple. You're like, of course, motivation. They want to sell. But you got to dig deeper than that. You understand? Like them wanting to sell, them saying, yeah, I want to sell is not enough, because that's not telling you a time frame. That's not telling you, why they want to sell. Is it that they need to, or is it that they would like to? You understand? That's where a lot of investors are wasting so much time, is going after people that are, thinking about it, would like to see an offer, are curious, they never thought about it before. All of these are time wasters for you. They're huge time wasters. So you don't want to be doing that. You want to go deep. You want to dig deep. What is their true motivation? I want to sell. But why do you want to sell? You understand? What's that reason that you're looking to sell? Do you need to sell? Do you need to move? Is a house falling apart? Do you need to relocate? Are you falling behind on your bills? Like, what is it that's causing you to want to sell? If that need isn't there, then a lot of what you're going to be doing is wasting time. Now, if you're not killing it, I'm talking about you are not making, the number of deals that you want to be hitting every month, you're not making the kind of money you want to be making, then as soon as you figure out that there is motivation, set the appointment, period. That's it. No more going forward, no more asking any more questions. You found out that they're motivated, they do need to sell, you set the appointment, you go to the appointment. That's it. You don't have any other excuse. You have no deals. You understand? You don't have anything that you can say, let me be a little pickier with this. No, you don't. Wasting your time, you're not making any money. You got to do something. You got to go to these. You don't have enough experience to know whether or not you're wasting your time or not. So once you are past that point, then you want to go ahead and this is a point that we use a lot. We're getting a decent amount of deals every month. So we actually do take the time now to pre-qualify them on. So what seller leads are the ones that you want to pre-qualify, that you want to make sure you're pre-qualifying so you're not wasting your time, right? Any cold lead. So if you're doing cold calling, SMS blasts, RVMs, anything that you're reaching out to these people cold, those are the ones that you want to spend more time pre-qualifying, because it's not always that, they want to sell or they want to sell at that moment. So you want to make sure that you're doing and asking the right questions so you're not wasting your time. But then you also have the leads that you don't want to pre-qualify. There are leads that you shouldn't pre-qualify. And these are your warm to hot leads. These are the ones that are coming through direct mail, your website, maybe, a referral. So any lead that's actually coming to you, that's already showing a level of motivation, right? They're already interested. They're reaching out to you. Those are the ones that we don't do much work of pre-qualifying, because they're coming to us. So in our head, it's like, hey, you know what we do. You're coming to us. That means that you're motivated. So we want to go ahead and pursue and close the deal on that. The same with online leads or referrals. Anything like that, we don't waste too much time pre-qualifying. We get right after them. And then foreclosures. If you're doing any kind of foreclosure marketing, there's a big motivation there. They're about to lose their home. Don't waste too much time. Set the appointment, go to the appointment, get it done.